Today, our traders are all ready to go with their top secret trading strategies. Let's start it off with Nick Santiago, the CEO of In the Money Stocks. Tell us what you have there, Nick.
Well, it's been a long journey. I've been doing this for well over 25 years now. But one of the things I always try to tell young traders is to learn retrace patterns. You'll see markets make big moves to the upside, and then they'll always retrace back down. And if you could find that retrace level, prior breakouts are a good spot to get back into a stock. You watch the moving averages, also follow trend. But one of my favorite strategies and techniques is to really buy retraces. So even if a stock makes a big move to the upside, I like to wait for it to pull back, and I look for the prior breakout points. And when you find those prior breakout points, that gives you an excellent risk reward that the market is going to be defended or supported by the institutions that pushed it up back at that prior level. So for me, retrace levels are very important. And if you're a new trader to the business, I would certainly learn that technique.
Nick, when we see these big moves in stocks, a lot of times it's the so-called big money or institutional players that are pushing these stocks along. Is that a lot of emotion involved?
Well, I think they use emotion in every single trade, but you really see it very evident in a lot of the large cap tech names. So we'll see stocks like Apple or Facebook. You look at a Google, very often the leaders, the market leaders, the mega cap tech names, they're very emotionally driven, and it's really institutions that drive them. So you're really seeing the masses get involved in those names. And when the sentiment, I'll give you a great example. Amazon recently had a terrible reaction, and that stock has been really coming down sharply lately. That goes to show you that's just human emotion. Failed breakout, and then everybody gets sour on the name, and then it has a big drop to the downside. So you watch those mega cap tech names, they're very liquid, but they're filled with emotion from both the individual investor as well as the institutional investor.
Great tips. Thank you so much, Nick.
Thank you for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.